Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. If you are listening right now, that means you are taking a powerful step to improve your life through English. Learning a new language is not easy, but every small step you take brings you closer to confidence, better opportunities, and a stronger future. In today's episode, we will practice 100 common English words with their phonetic pronunciation and simple examples. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak more clearly, understand native speakers better, and feel more confident in daily conversations. While you listen, try to repeat each word out loud, copy the pronunciation, and imagine using the word in your own life. You don't need to be perfect, you only need to be consistent. 5, 10, or 20 minutes of practice every day can completely change your English. So relax, get comfortable, open your mind, and let's start learning together. 1. Happy, happy. I feel happy today. 2. Learn, learn. I want to learn English. 3. Speak, speak. She can speak well. 4. Work, work. He works every day. 5. Dream, dream. I have a big dream. 6. Success, success. Hard work brings success. 7. Friend, friend. She is my best friend. 8. Help, help. Please help me. 9. Try, try. Try again tomorrow. 10. Believe, believe. I believe in you. 11. Strong, strong. Stay strong. 12. Change, change. You can change your life. 13. Focus, focus. Focus on your goal. 14. Grow, grow. Children grow fast. 15. Listen, listen. Please listen carefully. 16. Share, share. Share your ideas. 17. Smile, smile. She has a nice smile. 18. Start, start. Start today. 19. Finish, finish your work. 20. Win, win. I want to win. 21. Read, read. I read every night. 22. Write, write. Please write your name. 23. Watch, watch. Let's watch a movie. 24. Think, think. Think before you speak. 25. Know, know. I know the answer. 26. Feel, feel. I feel tired. 27. Love, love. I love my family. 28. Enjoy, enjoy. I enjoy music. 29. Plan, plan. Make a plan. 30. Choose, choose. Choose the best one. 31. Build, build. They build houses. 32. Create, create. Create something new. 33. Improve, improve. I want to improve. 34.
Practice, practice, practice every day. 35. Remember, remember, remember this. 36. Forget, forget, don't forget me. 37. Ask, ask, ask your teacher. 38. Answer, answer, give the answer. 39. Wait, wait, please wait here. 40. Move, move, let's move on. 41. Open, open, open the door. 42. Close, close, close the window. 43. Buy, buy, I will buy food. 44. Sell, sell, they sell fruit. 45. Pay, pay, please pay now. 46. Save, save, save your money. 47. Spend, spend, don't spend too much. 48. Travel, travel, I love to travel. 49. Meet, meet, let's meet tomorrow. 50. Call, call, call me later. 51. Send, send, send me a message. 52. Receive, receive, I received your email. 53. Teach, teach, she teaches English. 54. Study, study, I study daily. 55. Work, work, he works hard. 56. Rest, rest, take a rest. 57. Sleep, sleep, I sleep early. 58. Eat, eat, let's eat now. 59. Drink, drink, drink water. 60. Cook, cook, she cooks dinner. 61. Clean, clean, clean your room. 62. Drive, drive, he drives fast. 63. Walk, walk, I walk every morning. 64. Run, run, run quickly. 65. Jump, jump, jump high. 66. Sit, sit, sit here. 67. Stand, stand, please stand up. 68. Look, look, look at me. 69. See, see, I see you. 70. Hear, hear, I hear music. 71. Touch, touch, don't touch it. 72. Hold, hold, hold my hand. 73. Carry, carry, carry the bag. 74. Fix, fix, fix the phone. 75. Break, break, don't break it. 76. Push, push, push the door. 77. Pull, pull, pull the rope. 78. Cut, cut, cut the paper. 79. Draw, draw, draw a picture. 80. Paint, paint, paint the wall. 81. Win, win, our team will win. 82. Lose, lose, don't lose hope. 83. Help, help, help your friend. 84. Care, care. I care about you. 85. Trust, trust. Trust yourself. 86. Hope, hope. I hope so. 87. Fear, fear. Don't fear failure. 88. Peace, peace. We want peace. 89. Light, light. Turn on the light. 90. Dark, dark. It is dark. 91. Fast, fast. He runs fast. 92. Slow, slow. Walk slow. 93. Early, early. Come early. 94. Late, late. Don't be late. 95. Easy, easy. This is easy. 96. Hard, hard. English is hard. 97. New, new. I bought a new phone. 98. Old, old. This house is old. 99. Big, big. It's a big city. 100. Small, small. I have a small bag. Great job for staying until the end. You just practiced 100 powerful English words with pronunciation and examples. That is not a small thing. Every word you learn is one more tool to help you communicate with the world. Remember, English is not about being perfect. It is about progress, courage, and practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, listen again tomorrow. Repeat the words, say the examples, make your own.
Great job for staying until the end. You just practiced 100 powerful English words with pronunciation and examples. That is not a small thing. Every word you learn is one more tool to help you communicate with the world. Remember, English is not about being perfect. It is about progress, courage, and practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, listen again tomorrow. Repeat the words, say the examples, make your own sentences. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing, and never give up. See you in the next episode.